pretty shitty. Just gotta keep an eye out for cars on this road. Yeah, not plowed. Cool. Hopefully there's no traffic. That's all I can say. Oh, it's nice right here. Holy crap. And if it goes so well. Sidewalks out of the question. There's probably about, I don't know how much snow's on it, but we'll see how it goes. On the way home, probably. No headlights behind me, so we're good. Okay, almost a prospect. I gotta be careful on prospect here. This is gonna be drop it down. Alright. Not plowed real well, and I see some cars are coming. Have to get over the snow. See a car behind me, so I'm going to get across the street. One more. Here's some deep snow. Cool. Gotta be really careful. When you turn, it kind of slides a little bit. Well, this is about 4 inches of snow, so going pretty good. You just gotta watch your turns. Unbelievable. This is nice. This is rideable all winter long. Unless it's 50 below zero. This road is going to be the worst because of there's really no shoulder. So if a car comes by, I'm going to have to pull over. Well, that's about 6 inches of snow there. It's going through it perfect. Alright, I'll get back in that guy's tire track. Nobody behind me yet. And the wind will pick up here really quick. I think if somebody comes behind me, just get in the opposite lane. This road sucks. It is full of potholes. Just gotta prevent myself from turning real quick, and I'm good. Here comes the car, of course. At 4:30 Sunday morning, you got cars coming. What a joke. Fucking joke, man. Come on, bitch. Just go by me, come on. What a little... Yeah. People like that drive me nuts. Any more cars? Oh, of course, another car. Almost to work. Made it in maybe 10, 15 minutes max. Now it's getting drifts and stuff, so I wish this car would just go by me. Of course, that's a plow. Nobody else. Plows are just inconsiderate bastards. Just gotta be careful here. My work is right up ahead. Perfect. No problem. I don't have to worry about getting my car stuck. Here we go, we're in. Which way are you going, fucker? Let's go out 6 inches of snow. Easy peasy. And I made it. Perfect. Easy. Now, there we go. Alright, we'll slide in here real quick. Keep it from getting any more wet. I'm here a little bit earlier, quite a bit. Lights off. All right, and that was the trip.